Hello kids, today in this video we'll learn alphabets from A to Z, both in capital letter and small letter. So without much ado, let's get started. So here first I'll take pink color. This is dark pink color. Okay, to write letter A. So this is capital letter A. Small letter A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Yellow color. Capital B. Small b, B for ball. Blue color. Capital C. Small c, C for cat. Green color. Capital D. Small d, D for duck. Red color. Capital E. Small e, E for eagle. Capital F. Small f, F for fish. Capital G. Small g, G for grapes. Capital H. Small h, H for horse. Capital I. Small I for ice cream. Capital J. Small j, J for jacket. Dark blue color. Capital K. Small k, K for kite. Capital L. Small l, L for lion. Capital M. Small m, M for monkey. Capital N. Small n, N for nose. Capital O. Small o, O for orange. Capital P. Small p, P for papaya. Capital Q. Small q, Q for quill. Capital R. Small r, R for rose. Capital S. Small s, S for sun. Capital T. Small t, T for tiger. Capital U. Small u, U for umbrella. Capital V. Small v, V for van. Capital W. Small w, W for watermelon. Capital X. Small x, X for Xmas tree. Capital Y. Small y, Y for yacht. Capital Z. Small z, Z for zebra. So hence we have completed our alphabets from A to Z in both capital and small letters. So I hope you have learned something from this video kids, and if you do, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.